All right, who doesn't love a really great status bag? This one looks like $1,000,000. I love the Python embossing. It's one of those huge things when it comes to the world of couture and high end right now. A little bit of the exotic, a little bit of attitude, but still a neutral that goes with everything. This is a great size, so it's really gonna carry a lot, but it's not gonna be too big. We have it in two gorgeous colorways for you. This is the lighter one. I love the bamboo handles. Those are real bamboo and they are gorgeous. By the way, you can zip it completely shut on top if you want to. The inside's gonna be black. You have two slip on one side, one zip on the other side, and you can see there's a shoulder strap down there. So if you wanna wear it over your shoulder, all you have to do is attach it, and there's gonna be a little loop on each side, and you're good to go. But this is a great looking bag. So this is the lighter, and then we have a little bit more of a brown. How gorgeous is this? How beautiful is that bag? This is a bag that makes your outfit. Lead with the bag, as I always say. It's one of those pieces that is really going to define your look and define your outfit, and people are gonna see it way before they see any piece of jewelry, as much as I love the jewelry. So, this is a bag that makes a statement. This is the bag that looks like you're a girl who really knows what she's doing, and I can't think of a better way to usher in a new year than a really great new bag.